In a small village, lush green fields stretched out like an emerald sea. Tiny houses dotted the landscape, while birds flitted joyfully across the azure sky. Amidst this picturesque setting, a young boy named Hassan played gleefully in the narrow lanes. In the heart of the village, the wealthy village had stood imposing among his gathered people, declaring, "Anyone found stealing from my orchard shall face severe punishment." His words echoed through the crowd, instilling fear among the villagers. The orchard was a beautiful sight, with trees laden with red apples, their fragrance filling the air. Driven by hunger, Hassan quietly plucked an apple, succumbing to the tantalizing temptation. The village had soon summoned all the children, lining them up as he inspected them sternly. Fear gripped the children, but among them, Hassan stood contemplating whether to step forward and confess. Summoning all his courage, Hassan spoke up. "Sir, it was I who took the apple. It was a mistake, and I'm truly sorry." Surprisingly, the village head's stern demeanor softened. He smiled gently, placing a hand on Hassan's head, and said, "Son, your honesty has won my heart. This orchard is now yours." The scene shifted as Hassan, along with the other children, played merrily, laughter echoing through the air. Behind them, the orchard stood vibrant, a symbol of integrity and trust. A simple yet powerful message unfurled. Always speak the truth, for honesty brings honor.